Hello guys, welcome back to my creative space. It's your boy Daniel Graphics. Today's video I'm going to be showing us how to create a chips bag product packaging design using both Pixellab and Pixart. So without waiting any further time, let's quickly get right on. So the first thing to do is to determine our image size. We come to image size. So we'll change the image size to 1200 by 1700. So as you can see, this is the size we want. So the first thing to do, I'm going to type something right here. So come to edit the text. So we're going to type chips. So I'll start with the letter C. I'll expand it. Let me give it a space bar. Okay. Yeah, I'll expand it. Then I'm going to change the font. So I'll come to font. So I'll be using this particular font right here. This days font. So I'll click on it. As you can see, then I'll come to text style. You can see this is text style down here. I'll come to text style, then I'll bold it. As you can see, I'll bold it again. I'll keep it like this. Like this. Then the next thing to do is to copy. I'll copy this. I'll edit it to letter H. I'll reduce it to H. I'll use my position to bring it down a little bit. Then I'm going to copy again. I'll edit to letter I. As you can see, I've expanded it a little. Make sure you are expanding. I'll expand it a little. I'll use my position. And I'll shift it to this side a little bit. And I'll take it upward. I want to use the grid so it will match with this. Still want to expand it. So I'll use my little size. I'll reduce it. I'll reduce it a little. Use my position. Bring it down here. Okay. After that, I'm going to copy. I'll copy this again. I'll edit. Letter P. I'll expand the letter P. Shift this one to the side a little. Adjust this also. Then I'll copy. Then I'll edit. Now I'll add the letter S. So I'm going to reduce it to fit right here. As you can see what I did. Well, this is good. Now I'm going to lock all of them so they are not going to move. You understand? So now the next thing to do is to change the color. So I'll come to the letter C. I'm going to come to color. I'm going to give it a gradient color, a gradient red. So I'll tap on this and I'll tap on this icon right here to change the color. So I'll shift this. This is the color we want to look at this small circle that is inside. I'll just shift it to the letter red. As you can see, let it be letter red. Okay, see, okay, this is the red, so I'm going to give it a dark color, dark red. And I'll change this also. Tap this other side. You tap it, then you tap on the color aspect to change it. And I'll give this one a light red, slightly light red. I'm going to move this forward down to this side. Still need to give this brighter red. Okay, as you can see, still need to adjust a little. Okay, I think this is good. So I'll tap on the letter H. I'll come to color. I'll give it a gradient color. I'll pick the same color. I'll tap the letter I. I'll come to color, gradient color. I'll pick the same color. Tap the letter P. I'll come to color, gradient color. I'll give it the same color. Now tap the letter S. Color, gradient. I'll give it this same color. As you can see, we have gotten it. Then the next thing to do is to merge all of them. So I'll click on this small icon. Look at this icon as it down. You click on it, then you mark all of them. Then you click on this icon right here to merge. Okay, are you sure you want to merge the selected object? So click on yes, you want to merge. You can see we have merged it. After merging, we are going to reduce the size. Okay, we're going to reduce the size to this. Keep it right here. Let's center line it. Relative position, then center line. Then we'll copy. Okay, we have copied. Then this one right here, we are going to change the color. We'll give it a color, just a white color. Then we'll come to border. Stroke. Come to stroke. Enable stroke. As you can see, take the stroke down to the highest. Think this is good. Then we're going to bring this one right here. As you can see, look at what I did. Okay guys, so I kind of want to cover these holes. Look at these holes right here. I kind of want to cover this, so I'm going to reduce this. Yeah, so I'll just reduce this, keep it like this, so everything will be covered. Then I'll also reduce this one also. I'm going to fix it right here. Just look at what I'm doing. Okay, I'm done fixing this. Let me adjust it a little. So I think then I'm going to merge the two together. Okay, after merging them, we can now expand. Yeah, so that hole is covered. Okay, then we are going to lock this. Let's center line it, relative position, center line them, we lock it. And the next thing to do is to write something. So click on add text, edit it. I'm going to write tasty party chips. You can write anything you want to write, but this is what I want to write, and I'm going to bold it. I want everything to be capital letter. Now come to font. I'll still use that same font. I'll come to color. use this same color. I'll come to stroke. I'll enable the stroke, give it a white stroke, and increase the stroke. So I'll come to shadow, enable the shadow, opacity on the blur radius 0, y-axis to 9. So you tap on this also, you come to shadow, enable the shadow, y-axis 9. Take blur radius to 0. Okay, I think it's good like this. Then we are going to curve this. So you come to curve, click on curve, then you start curving. I think this is okay like this. Then use a relative position to position it at the middle. Then we can lock up. So the next thing to do is to import the chips. So come to import. Okay, I've imported this one right here, so just keep it like this. Just remain like this. Then I think it's okay. Keep it this way. Okay, then you lock it up. I'm going to import the next one. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the size of this one that I've imported. I'll bring it right here. Okay, we're not going to use it. Let me just remove this. Then we'll copy this one. Copy it, reduce it, rotate it. Let's keep it like this. Okay, I think this is okay. Rotate. I think this is okay. Okay, then we also lock. The next thing to do is then I'm going to import one last. Okay, this is a green pepper. So I'll just reduce it. Keep it right here. Then I will lock up. Okay, after that we're going to change the color of the background. So we'll come to the background, click on color. We're not using the same color. We're going to be using something more like yellow color. I think so. No. Something. Okay, this is the color we're using for the background. This is the color we're using for the background. This. Okay, this is the color we're using for the background. So after that, you can save your work. Let me just mark these two. Come to edit, to move them upward. I think it's okay this way. Then you can save it. So I'll save as a project first. So I've saved as a project. I'm going to save as image. So I'll just save to gallery. So you will change it to, okay, leave it like this. So after that, you are going to hide this, and this. We also save this also as an image, the background as an image. And the next thing to do is to mock it up. So we're going to go to Pixellab to go and mock it. Okay guys, the next thing to do is to open Pixellab. Now, first of all, go and choose the package product, the mockup file. So I'll be using this. So I'll click on it. Now I'm going to click on add photo. You can see add photo. When you click on this add photos, you can bring this up. You add the chip bar. Now you can just expand yours like this to cover everywhere. You understand? You can expand and expand. So chip bags have different size, so sometimes it might not fit. What you have to do, you just have to expand it. So you click on blend, then you click or you choose multiple. In some cases yours might be overlay, but just try checking the blend, which of them will work for you. But mine, it is the multiple that is working. So you click on this, choose this multiple for it to blend, and you have your mockup like this. You can expand this upward, expand this downward. You can cover this, expand here also, and also expand here. Then you have covered the whole file. So as you can see now, you have mocked up your product packaging. And this is a product. We have just designed a chips bag product. But now this is not what I want to do. I just want to everything is creativity. So so I'm going to add another photo. So I'll click on this add picture. So I'm going to send in this background. I'll expand it like this. I'll bring it downward, and I'll come to blend. I'll still use the same multiple now. So you can see what I got here. Now you can see that is the red. But the red line is too much. Because of that red line, that was why I say we should save that separate. So it is just my own way of being creative. It is my own way of being creative. You can still take this upward. It's my own way of being creative. As you can see, I've gotten what I want. So I'll click on add photo again. Then I'll still bring this same thing again. This time I'll take it downward. I will expand. I'll just keep it like this. And I'll blend. So that red line will also show at the down. You can see my packaging is done here. So I'll just click on this good right here to mark it good. Then you can save. So you click on this icon, then you save to gallery. Okay, it has been saved to gallery. Then I click on done. As you can see, this is our work. So that is that for the product packaging. So you can still come to Pixellab and just do some. I'll change the size of this image size, and I'll go to default. Okay, I need a square size, so 124 by 124. So I'm going to import our. So we import it. Okay, so this is what we just made just now. After importing, I'll still import some chips to make it look nice. Okay, as you can see, I have made it just. So I'm gonna add something. So it's just I want to do it more like a usual flyer. So I'm going to edit. Now I'll just write party chips. So I'll change the font. I don't have any font installed here, so I'll just use the available fonts. So I can change the color to something nice. So I'll just type something again. New pack. New pack tastes better. So I'll change the font for this also. Wow. So I'll bold. If you want to change the color, you can change the color. Let me see if I'll find the color that fits. These are just simple things you can do, so you don't have to very simple plans. So I don't want the video to be long, that's why I'm just cutting it like this. So party chips, new pack tastes better. So you can see add. So I just added a few stuff. Then I'm going to just going to write something. I'm just cutting this video like this. I don't want it too long. I'm writing the dollar. Let's say it will be for $5. So I'll increase it. Going to write here. I'll change the font. Need something. Okay, I think this will go. I'll use my position to move it. Position 2. I'm going to move it right here. Okay. I'll change the color of the image to this. So as you can see, I've gotten something. So you can save this as an image. You just have to save as image, then and you're good to go. Okay, thank you for watching this video. See you next time.